Generation Church partnered with PureAir Control Services on a program to improve and maintain optimal indoor air quality. HVAC cleaned and restored. All of the HVAC units were hygienically cleaned at 350 degrees Fahrenheit with the Pure Steam method. This process uses high temperature and low pressure steam to thoroughly disinfect the equipment. How does this program fit with being a good steward?
So PureAir definitely fits that principle because they actually approached us to really come into Generation Church to provide services that we could not have provided for ourselves. And there are things that we knew we needed to do, but we did not have the resources to do. PureAir came on the scene, came alongside of us, and really provided those things and were that blessing for Generation Church to be able to move forward.
Then the units were refinished with a high-performance antimicrobial and water-resistant coating as part of the HVAC New Life Restoration process. Particles reduced. All of the supply and return ductwork was hygienically cleaned with the PureDuct method. This process incorporates negative air machines with HEPA filtration. Ductboard was also encapsulated to prevent degradation and harmful fiberglass particles from being spread throughout the building. Pathogens neutralized. PUREDECON electrostatic spray disinfection was conducted using EPA-registered disinfectants for emerging pathogens. This safely and effectively neutralized all bacteria, mold, and viruses, including coronavirus, prior to the church facilities being reopened. Conditions monitored. IAQ Guard was installed to continuously monitor the facility for particles, temperature, relative humidity, carbon dioxide, and volatile organic compounds. How much was IAQ considered for reopening?
We considered indoor air quality a huge component in reopening our building. Because of the pandemic and because of wanting to create a safe place for people to gather. We knew that gathering the church back together was so important, but we needed to provide a safe place to do that. And PureAir provided that for us and really provided the comfort that people needed to feel safe to gather again in the church.
Coronavirus environmental testing was done to verify building safety for occupancy. Air purification. Air purifiers were installed in the auditorium to remove allergens, microbes, odors, and particles. What has been the reaction from guests and staff?
We have gotten just so much great feedback from what PureAir provided for Generation Church, with just the comfort of knowing that our air is constantly being cleaned, to the COVID testing on the surfaces, to the cleaning of our AC units. I mean, over and over, I've heard people just say thank you because they feel safe coming into the church environment again and gathering. There is just a comfort level of knowing that we went above and beyond to make sure that we provide a safe environment for people.
Make your building a certified PureAir indoor environment today.